Now I'm coming to the Cuba de Viñales. Viñales is very famous for the seagull and nature. One time you come into Viñales, maybe you love it. Check it out.